nice place. Ethiopia. You know, that's it. Look at that, sir. That is. It looks like some ship, you know. That Ethiopia. Yeah.
I don't know the secret behind.
Again, it
It
has
seems like
sheep.
a ship, and that ship will to carry huge number of people.
And look at over. That's Ethiopia.
Yeah,
It says Ethiopia. You see?
it says Ethiopia,
Yeah.
and the Ethiopia is under a
So
big ship
that means, you know, Ethiopia is like a sheep.
which can carry.
Yeah, that's the meaning.
I
That
hope.
you can guess, you know. So
A number of people will exist under this ship.
yeah,
Ship can be expressed as Ethiopia.
yeah, Ethiopia. That's I think the meaning.
Shall we go there?
Yeah, we can. Let's go this way, and
We will turn there.
yeah, and we'll have a coffee somewhere down.
Okay. I think it's better to go to the Lambaret.
We'll go. Yeah, we'll go.
And we will take.
Once we done exploring all this thing, we'll be there sure.
Ah. So this is again very interesting.
Mm-hmm.
It's good if it is continued in such a way. It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. And there are different manifestations we try to be even started.
Mm.
It is already started. Try to planting the different species of seedling.
Yeah.
It's a very interesting.
That's
So
This
if
is-
they finish their growth, they will be very attractive for the guests.
sure. Yeah.
So it's good. And
Yeah,
I
really.
appreciate this.
Yeah.
They are digging and planting species of plants. So I don't know how much they are indigenous for the context of Ethiopia.
Mm-hmm.
They are very interesting,
Yeah.
and they will give some refreshment and exposure for the people who wanted to come visit this park.
Sure.
So it should have be continued in such a way. And
Yeah.
I support and I like it. So it's good.
Yeah.
Good. Let's try to go to visit
Mm.
the secret behind
This.
ship. You see?
The ship. Look
Yeah.
at this one. He made.
I don't know how to say the detail.
There may be some writers that describes about
Yeah.
this ship. Maybe
Well,
inside.
after
We'll-
watching that,
Yeah,
we
we'll-
can try to say something about the issue
Yeah.
or what is the message behind this big ship,
Mm.
which is already established in this park. And this park is, I think, its name is Friendship.
Yeah. It's friendship.
Yeah.
Yeah. From the name itself, you can say something. I think.
Yeah. It give a chance join together.
You know. Ethiopia is a home of what different,
Kind of ethnicity.
and that's our
People will
beauty.
come to here and they will create their own relation.
Mm.
And especially for those passionate individuals who want to proceed their
Mm.
friendship,
Mhm.
their relationship,
Sure.
they can make here their base
Sure.
because the name of the park will get.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good. It's sometimes in a relationship, he always have his own role.
very
Yeah.
advantageous.
Yeah.
So at the name, a number of this young generation may
Yeah. Sure.
have a chance to come here
Mhm.
and to strengthen their relationship more and more.
Sure.
And that's it.
This much. Wow. Now we arrive on the top,
We're arriving at the top.
and almost we are on
and
the
we're
way.
going to see the ship,
Yeah.
which is found or established or called the Friendship Park in Addis Ababa.
Yeah.
So let's try to see the meaning behind
Wow.
why they were establishing such a huge ship here. Huh?
Yeah.
And we'll try to know the secret behind
Mhm.
why they are constructing such a ship.
Mm.
And in the ship, in the heart of the ship,
Yeah.
there is a word which is written
Yeah, that's
It's a lovely
Ethiopia.
country, Ethiopia.
Ethiopia, our mom.
Yeah, so let's try to see that one.
Yeah.
Let's see. Aha. I think there are some.
Yeah, there's something that
Okay.
shows what.
Oh.
Yeah.
It shows the Ethiopian manifestation aspect.
Yeah.
Starting
Now you
from-
can describe, I think.
Yeah.
Let's walk slowly and say something looking at what these things are.
Ah,
Where is it?
I think the different instrumental music.
Yeah, it's Ethiopian
Yeah,
tradition.
like traditional music, like the masinko
Mm.
and something like that. I think this. I don't know.
Where is it?
This one?
It's something actually. I
Like
don't
that
know.
of the
Where you
the
just
parachment.
yeah, that's like that, and
Mm.
this is what we call
No,
a
it's
vocal
another-
instrument. Yeah,
It's another.
and this is called washant. You know.
This is flute.
Yeah, exactly. That's flute.
And this is parachment.
Something like that. Actually, that's what you call it in Amharic.
This is the traditional instrumental music which is highly serving for that of Ethiopian Orthodox Church.
100%. Yeah.
That is it. And I think this still the different traditional music
Mm.
like the tram.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the drum.
They are the Ethiopian manifestations
Yeah, sure.
regarding to the traditional music aspect of Ethiopia.
Mm.
And the different species of birds.
Yeah, look at this. Yeah, mammals too. Yeah, the crops here. Maybe it looks like something wet. Yeah.
Walia, one of the endemic animals which is found in the north part of Ethiopia.
This one, yeah. And this is Mama Ethiopia.
And the message behind.
Mm.
Inside the big ship,
Yeah.
there are
Oh my goodness. And now you get, I think, the secret behind, yeah? So, you just can say about these all things.
That's very good. It's
Mm.
a very interesting content. Like try to clarify Ethiopia is a very complicated matter.
Yeah. So look at this.
The handicrafts
Yeah, the handicrafts.
of Ethiopia, like the pots and the traditional coffee materials even here.
Yeah. And look at this all.
Yeah, in Amharic,
So-
Mosav,
Yeah.
Jebena, Masaro.
Yeah. It's over. Yeah, sure.
This very authentic manifestation of Ethiopia is the coffee ceremony.
Yeah, here it is.
Yeah. You know coffee?
Yeah, coffee. I know. It's, just can you say more about
You know,
coffee?
is a green plant
Yeah.
and it is
the-
very endemic to Ethiopia.
and
It
that's
is
I think
originated in the south part of Ethiopia, what you call. Even the name coffee derived from a special kappa.
Yeah. and just can you say the cultural ceremonies of what coffee?
Yeah, it's one of the real manifestation of Ethiopia.
Mm.
It's a traditional way of ceremonial aspect, which is highly interconnected with ceremony of coffee.
Yeah.
So it is very really expressing the contextual and the cultural manifestation of Ethiopia in a very interesting manner. So
And-
this big ship has a great message. That's the message what we are
Yeah.
observing.
Here we can see something.
Friendship Square. The theme of the embossed wall reflecting Ethiopia's glorious culture, rich resources and prosperous future. The three-dimensional wall is composed of 3 layers from the front of the back and the 3 sections from the left to the right The art content is 2.5 centimeter high and 48 meter long. The front layer presents teff. It is a very indigenous plant species and a kind of crop.
Yeah.
And the front layers, the front present teff, coffee tree, lily, which are selected from symbolic plant in Ethiopia. And the center layer shows Ethiopian natural landscapes and humanistic culture. The back layer displays mountains, sunshine, and other decorative patterns. The middle section depicts or try to shows mountains, sunshine, and other decorative patterns. And the middle section depicts Ethiopian plateau, illuminated by the sunlight, full of vital and enthusiasm, accompanied by Ethiopian acacia grassland and typical animals such as the cattle, the sheep, the camels, mapping out of land a new horizon of hope. The peak of mountains and the waterfalls highlight Ethiopian merits as the roof of Africa.
The roof of Africa.
Yeah, the roof of Africa and East African water tower. In the left and right section, there are Ethiopian musical instruments.
That's
And
all
food
what we have seen.
containers over the horizon are pigeons converging from both sides towards the center, symbolized peace and solidarity, it says. So it's a good.
This is
Interesting.
Yeah, you like
We get some relaxation having this exploration. And this is the advantage of such a type of a natural environment. People will get relaxation and they will rejuvenating and refreshing their mental aspect. And this, if the mental aspect of the people refreshed, their health becomes recovered and their way of thinking becomes bright, you know.
Yeah, sure.
So such a type of natural watching and visiting is very interesting.
Yeah.
Personally, in my personal experience, I have a very passionate interest to watch and to visit if I have got the chance to go to the Brazil.
Brazil. Rio de Janeiro. Yeah.
Rio de Janeiro.
Okay.
I wanted to visit that.
You will. You will. You will. I no problem. It's simple. You will 100%.
So when I personally have a passion and interest in admiring such a type of natural phenomenon. Because if I'm visiting such a type of natural phenomenon, I'm getting some sort of relief, comfort. I feel very comforted. It comforts too much when I'm watching such a phenomenal aspect. So I like base, which is established in the heart of Ethiopia, in Addis, this Friendship Park.
Yeah.
I have visited, and even the very interesting and like thing what I have observed is the ship.
The ship. Yeah.
Inside the big ship, she's Ethiopia, and there are different manifestation aspects as we have watched inside the big ship,
Yeah.
and they try to exemplifying and showing the diversified aspect of our country Ethiopia. So I like this. I like this. It should have to be strengthened in such a manner
Yeah.
to create an environment of awareness for the people, you see. Yeah.
And
This is it. Thank you very much for the time being. Thank you again once.
let's go down, I think.
Now, why?
Or we can, of course. And near to this, I think the palace.
Yeah, this palace. As we
Also,
know,
inside the
history.
palace, there is called Unity Park, which is underneath.
Okay, that
Yeah,
I haven't got a chance to visit that,
you will visit.
but I know the palace. It's a very strong, very historical significance because it is for the first time people established such constant palace to lead our country Ethiopia. You know, in the Zaman Masafil, our country Ethiopia, different type of capital cities.
That are
Since
not
yeah.
movable, yeah?
Yeah, movable. If you take Lalibela, it shipped to that of Gondar, and to Gondar, the decline of the Gondarian period was shifted towards Shoa, and finally this capital city was established by a notable king, Victor Binugi,
As a permanent city.
as a permanent city of Ethiopia, and still that serves as a permanent capital of Ethiopia. So they laid the base, you know.
Sure.
So
And with the young generation and their
should have to be sustained. Should have to be
what
kept.
they just
Should have to be expanded without adding any distorting situation. That should be the interesting something.
the most important thing is that
Yeah.
we have to
Should
keep
the people of Ethiopia should have kept the real and authentic cultural manifestation and historical backgrounds.
what has been left by our dads,
Yeah.
like the one you mentioned, the notable king of Ethiopia.
That's a very issue that should have to be given great consideration. If you lost once, it's very difficult
To recover and to get it back.
You will lose many historical facts behind.
Yeah, sure.
So yes, you have to
Those things should be preserved well.
it should have to be conserved and preserved very well. That is it. That no one is forced to stop adding something.
Yeah,
See?
that's
Yeah,
that's what progress and change is.
But when you are doing that, you should not be eliminating those very critical and very backbone historical aspect of the country.
Here, just over there, it's a museum and an exhibition park for science and technology, you know. Look at this. Yeah, that's it. Look at over there.
That's very interesting.
Yeah,
Let's go to that.
Yeah, we'll
and
go.
Let's visit.
We'll visit it
Yeah.
and we'll
It's a
explore many things.
museum that try to show the context aspect of Ethiopia.
In technological manner.
In a technological manner.
Yeah.
That museum has a power
Yeah.
to show the country's feature in a very competent and very well organized manner.
Yeah, sure.
People go there, will get an awareness to easily understand the context of Ethiopia.
Yeah.
So that's very nice. Again,
Yeah.
let's go and visit.
We'll visit it, yeah.
Yeah.
This is what looks like more or less Addis Ababa outside this park. That's one of the well-known hotel called Sheraton Addis. Yeah, that's Sheraton Addis. Look at the flags.
There are different countries' flag here.
Yeah.
Yeah, since it is a very star hotel.
Look at the flags.
Yeah.
And a skyscraper building over there.
Yeah.
That's the head office of the Commercial Bank of Ethiopia, one of the biggest financial institution in the country.
Yeah, I think this was established by the Chinese Corporation.
Yeah, no, it's not. The African Union.
Contribution.
The country and the bank itself built this. Yeah. Maybe the contractor, the one who takes the responsibility in construction, maybe the Chinese. Yeah. Look at these are some of the seedlings that are in progress to grow and
And they will be very attractive for the future.
yeah, sure.
They're finishing their growth.
Mm.
Look that foreign man.
Yeah, the one is
I think I wanted to talk him.
sure. Really,
Can we
he's
go this?
we can, but he's studying, you know.
No, he's reading and understanding something.
So, do you think that he will cooperate?
Yeah, hello. He may help me, especially in academic.
Really?
ያነበብኩ አሁን እየተረዳ ነው።
He's trying to read and getting something, you know. So we shouldn't get distracted him.
የሚዲያ አቋም መስያለሁ።